Hi, this is Eric with Daytona Homes. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to talk about troubleshooting and maintenance on your electrical panel. This is essentially the heart of the electrical system in your home. On either side of the breaker panel, you do have labels indicating what each breaker is for. Familiarize yourself with the panel here and how to test and reset the breakers. So some of the breakers here will be indicated with a test button. Anytime a breaker moves to the middle position, this means the circuit has tripped. To reset the breaker, you have to push it all the way off and then back on again. That is a full reset. So these breakers with the test button on them, these are arc fault circuit interrupters. These are very sensitive breakers. They are to reduce the risk of a fire hazard. Electric motors can actually cause this to trip. In the event that occurs and you're having trouble using an old vacuum cleaner, for example, you can plug that vacuum cleaner into a bathroom outlet or a kitchen outlet and you shouldn't have that issue anymore. So another item to be aware of would be the main breaker in the panel here. If you have a situation where you have no power to the home and you're the only one on the block that has no power, this would be the area to check first. Otherwise, contact our customer care team and they'll set you up with the contractor to get you sorted out. Thank you so much for joining us here today. If you need any more information on your electrical panel, please refer to the Daytona Homes Homeowner Guide.